Hello, my friends. I wanted to give you a better look at the painting you're about to watch in the daylight so you can see the colors more true to life. I very much like the yellow side now with the little wisps of blue, white, and silver in there, and the bit of green cast which came from adding the aquamarine. The gray side is prettier in person. I just can't capture it with the silver and blue hints of color in there. And I would hang it in a vertical orientation, although I'm showing you here horizontally. And I like the black lines that I added at the end, and they settled into the paint and become more subtle. So here's the whole thing, and now let's get to the creation. Hello, my friends. I'm going to do a series of paintings using the same colors, different techniques on these long and narrow canvases, similar to something I did a while back with blues. This time I decided to look up the Pantone Colors of the year for 2021 and use them as my base colors. I'm going to be doing a swipe. One of them is a color they call Ultimate Gray. And that was a lot of white with some ivory black and a touch of Payne's Gray. Their Ultimate Gray is actually a little darker than this, but I liked this. I didn't want to go any darker, so I stopped when I reached that. And the other color is called Illuminating, and I think I came pretty close to it with this. It's a warm, sunny yellow, although theirs actually seems to glow it, so this is the best I could do. And this was a lot of white, some yellow ochre, and just a tiny little pearl size drop of orange. And then for swiping, I've come up with some aquamarine in a beautiful metallic. It's from Extreme Sheen. And this chrome color, silver, very, very shiny. I think that will look okay. And then I've mixed some black and white as well if I need it for contrast. So let me get this prepared with the Ultimate Gray and the Illuminating, and I'll be right back. Okay, I have returned. I don't show you this part because, there's no science to it, just pouring the paint on and tilting it, but I do want to show you that I use this metal cake decorating tool that came with the turntable, and to spread the paint around and then tilt in it, it just makes it really easy. Get a nice even coat, so for what it's worth. So here we go. I'm going to start with the turquoise, or aquamarine rather, and I think I'll just start with the silver side. Swiping that way anyway. Start over here with the, I called it the silver side, the gray side, but now this is silver. And I think I need more contrast, so I'm going to run a skinny little strip of black. Come on. Okay, let's swipe that and see what we get. Should I add white too? No. Okay, here we go. I'm just using an old business card, it's cardboard. Gotta remember to clear the area at the end of the canvas so you're free. Here we go. Oh, that blue is gorgeous. Kind of lifting it as I get down to the towards the end there. One different look. And I have to pause a moment. Okay, now the other side. Now, I think I have plenty of blue there. I'm not sure what the silver is going to look like with the yellow, but I have it, so I'm going to lay some down. I don't want to I don't mind if I get a little bit of a green hue with the blue and the yellow, but I don't want to add any black to this side, so I'm going to go with the white. And maybe I better beef up that blue a little bit. Okay. I kind of like this side. I'm pleased with it. So here we go. I have room there. Yes. Right-handed. I'm so uncoordinated with my right hand. Well. Okay. Okay. I don't hate it. But of course I never like the center there. So what to do? I'm going to tilt it a little bit, try to break up that line. It sure isn't moving very much. Some. Well, let's see. What do I think? I think it needs more contrast. I'm going to take the black and I'm going to do some lines. It's kind of my go-to when I need contrast or when I'm just not enthused. And I think it needs black. So squeeze the cup and try to make a spout and keep them as thin as possible. So I'm going to go fast right across this area there, maybe 5 passes. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! I think I like it. I would never have thought to put these colors together. Running the aquamarine over the yellow toned it down, and I did get a little shimmer of green, and I don't mind that. I'm happy with the white. I like the gray side better than that. In fact, that would have been pretty if it had been white. You know, maybe the next two I will do gray and white, and then maybe yellow and white. I don't know. But this will be the only one perhaps when I combine those two, because I'm not crazy about it, but I don't dislike it. And I'm liking those lines in the middle. Okay, folks, let me bring you in. There's my trademark lines. Sorry about the glare. Let's see. How can I get rid of that? I like these silver and the hint of blue there and on the gray. Oops. I've either got a glare. Oh my, that changed the color dramatically. Either got a glare or a shadow. Don't know how to remedy that. Well, there you have it. I got plenty of the gray I mixed up left, and I'm liking it with that aquamarine, so I will be returning to that. Okay, my friends, thanks for joining me. See you next time.